Guys, welcome to my channel Nanotech. In this video, we are going to talk about Introduction to Natural Language Processing (NLP). NLP is the intersection of computer science and machine learning. The field focuses on communication between computers and humans in natural language, and NLP is all about making computers understand and generate human language. Applications of NLP techniques include voice assistants like Amazon, Alexa, and Apple Siri, but also things like machine translation and text filtering. What is natural language processing? Natural language processing studies interaction between humans and computer to find ways for computer to process written and spoke words similar to how humans do. The field blends computer science and machine learning. Natural language processing has heavily benefited from recent advances in machine learning, especially from deep learning techniques. The field is divided into three parts: speech recognition, the translation of spoken language into text; natural language understanding, a computer ability to understand language; the generation of natural language by a computer. Why natural language processing is difficult? Human language is special for several reasons. It is specially constructed to convey the speaker rights, meaning it's a simple system. All through little children can learn it pretty quickly. Another remarkable thing about human language is that it is all about symbols. According to Chris Manning, a machine learning professor at Stanford, it is a discrete symbolic categorical signaling system. This means we can convey the same meaning in different ways. The encoding by the human brain is a continuous pattern of activation by which the symbols are transmitted via continuous signals of sound and vision. Understanding human language is considered a difficult task due to its complexity. For example, there are an infinite number of different ways to arrange words in a sentence. Also, words can have several meanings, and contextual information is necessary to correctly interpret sentences. Every language is more or less unique and ambiguous. Just take a look at the following newspaper headline: The Pope Baby Step on Gaze. This sentence clearly has two very different interpretations, which is a pretty good example of the challenge in the natural language processing. Syntactic and semantic analysis. Semantic analysis are the two primary techniques that lead to the understanding a natural language. Natural language is set of valid sentences, but what makes a sentence valid? Syntax and semantics. Syntax is a grammatical structure of text, whereas semantics is the meaning being conveyed. A sentence that is syntactically correct, however, is not always semantically correct. For example, cows below supermally is grammatically valid, but it does not make any sense. Syntactic analysis, also referred to as syntax analysis or parsing, is the process of analyzing natural language with the rule of formal grammar. The grammatical rules are applied to categories and groups of words, not individual words. Syntactic analysis basically assigns a semantic structure to text. For example, a sentence includes a subject and a predicate, where the subject is a noun phrase and the predicate is a verb phrase. Take a look at the following sentences: The dog went away. Note we can combine every noun phrase with the verb phrase. Again, it's important to reiterate that sentence can be syntactically correct but not make sense. Semantic analysis. The way we understand what someone has said is an unconscious process relying on our institute and knowledge about language itself. In other words, the way we understand language is heavily based on meaning and context. Computers need a different approach. However, the word semantic is a linguistic term and means related to meaning or logic. Semantic analysis is the process of understanding the meaning and interpretation of words, signs, and sentence structure. This lets computer partly understand natural language the way humans do. I say this partly because semantic analysis is one of the toughest part of the natural language processing and it's not fully solved.